Hello my people, it's your baby girl X. So I'm back again, like seriously. And please, I want to, before I talk about the polygamy film I want to talk about, please, if you like my video, kindly click the subscribe button below and click the bell of notification so that whenever I upload new video, you will be able to see it. You'll be able to be notified. I want to talk about polygamy at home. You know, polygamy at home have make many people as it has make many people, many boys and girls, they don't know the left and right. You are a man, you have your wife at home, you decided to marry a second wife. Be ready for the war that will be in your home. Yes. And if you are from polygamous home already, your mothers always make you to fight every time, and then you need to stop it. Oh yes, you need to stop it. Why will your mothers be making you to fight now? If they are fighting, gather your brothers. You people should arrange one day. If they are fighting, just burn them. If they are fighting, just burn them. You know, if you're looking at them, don't answer them. But if the fighting continues like that, your father died, then you know, you gather your siblings. If your mothers like fighting, you make sure that you use police to arrest them for violenting, for disturbing. Because my dear, when you join the fight, if you're a girl, when you have a breakable eyes, your eye is blind, no man will marry you again. You remain like that in your father's home. If you are a boy, in the process of fighting your stepbrother or your stepsister, they stab you, you will die. Maybe police will not arrest your stepsister or your stepbrother. Your life is gone. Your mothers, they will still be there. Yes. What are they fighting for? You are from polygamy family. Your father is already dead, and your mothers continue to be fighting, continue disturbing the peace of the neighborhood. My dear, don't answer them. And polygamy family, I noticed most of the polygamy family, so many people, they would like to do competition. If their brothers are this, making money in this, they would like to do that. No. This life is, there is no, what are you competing? What are you competing on? What is the competition all about? You need to stop. If you are a brother, you are from a step, you have a stepsister or a stepbrother, you are in a position to assist them, help them. Don't mock at them. Don't let them feel inferior in where you are. Assist. If you're in abroad, your stepsister or your stepbrother called you and say, assist, look, the kind of business I wanted to start. Look. If you have the money, assist her. Yes, she's your sister. She is your sister. He is your brother. Any of them that called you, you are in a position to help them. Don't allow your mother to divide you people about. Sometimes I'll see some polygamy at home. The mother will not be saying, Nkechi, don't go to Ijoma's mother house. That woman is a buncho. Don't go. You know. Because of what the mother said, Nkechi will not be afraid to associate with Ijoma, his stepbrother. He will be afraid to associate because of what the mother said. But if your mother always say that to you, bone her, don't answer her. Never you answer her. Don't answer her. You understand my point? Don't. As a wise girl, you know as you follow up. If your parents are fighting, they are your parents. Your stepmother is also your mother. You separate them. You know, you ask them questions. You use some words on them that not an insultive words, a touchable words that they will be able to listen to you. You understand? But if that words did not stop, that fight still continue, my dear, talk to your brothers. Don't join fight with. Don't fight your step brothers. Leave the mothers, let them be fighting. When they fight like 2 or 3 times or 5 times, you people never interact, you people never fight back, or you step never fight, they will learn how to control themselves. Yes, they will learn how to control themselves. Because when you are fighting like that, you get blinded. As in, your stepbrother now wound you, destroy your eyes, disfigure you, my dear, who will marry you? Your mothers, they have lived their life, it's rest for you to use your initiative. So I am using this opportunity to tell most of people that came from polygamous home that always do this, that this, your mother will not say that. Don't listen. Don't listen. Use your initiative. Use your initiative. Mama Nkechi is a winch. How did she know that Mama Nkechi is a winch? Is she a winch? How did she know? Is she flying with Mama Nkechi? You know? So my dear, please, you people need to help. Help one another, help your stepbrothers, help your stepsisters when you have the opportunity to help them. Love one another. If your father is dead, try to gather your siblings. If you are the elder ones, gather your sisters and your brothers. Tell them, please, look, I want to do my father remembrance. I want us to do our father remembrance. Let's just gather together with the children. Let's do our father remembrance. You know, the love will be there. Everything will be flowing. People will be jealous of you guys. People outside there would like to be a part of your family. If you guys use your brain. I am from a polygamous home, but I love my stepsisters, my stepbrother. I love them so much. Yes, I love them so much. I love all my family. And you know what? I love my mother. You know what again? I love my father. May his soul rest in perfect peace. But I love him. And you know what again? I love my stepmom. Understand? So please everybody, if you are from a polygamous home, make sure you love your mom, you love your stepsisters, you love your stepbrothers. With that, love will be in that home. Jesus will live among you all. Thank you very much. Please, like I have said before, if any of you that love my video, you want to be watching more of my video, don't fail to hit the subscribe button below and press the bell of notification so that whenever I upload new video, you guys will be able to see. Thank you. Love you all.